Storm Team 3 Weather Lab. Here's Daniel's True View forecast.
Well, the showers have all come to an end, a little bit of a break in some of the wet weather. Now, that's all going to be back by tomorrow afternoon. So enjoy the morning tomorrow. It'll be a little bit quieter. It should be fairly quiet through the remainder of the night, maybe one or two pop-up showers, a little bit more activity going on out over towards the east. Here's actually the remnants of that disturbance that pushed through yesterday. Quite good time getting out over towards central Texas. Now we got to look out over towards the east. That's where the next round of wet weather is going to be coming from. We'll touch on that here in a moment. You can see the showers in the meantime have kind of quieted down, really quieted down this evening. One or two pop-up showers perhaps will be closer to dawn. That'll be right along the coastline. If we do see any, looks like it's going to stay fairly quiet through the remainder of the night tonight. Now, by the time we get into tomorrow, a little bit of a different story. We've got another low pressure system sitting just out over towards the east. It kind of shows up really good here. You saw where everything was swirling around. That's going to work its way westwards. You can see the push in the water vapor imagery of some of those showers and the disturbed area pushing now just the other side of Florida. That's going to work its way towards us. And as we get into the heat of the day tomorrow, that system mixed with the moisture, mixed with the heat, that's going to kick those showers up. So I'd expect right around lunchtime to probably see those showers get going, and then they will continue on through into the evening. We have a ridge of high pressure sitting just off towards our north, and that's what's catching up those lows and kind of dragging them over towards us. And that's why we've seen the systems moving from the east towards the west instead of the other way around, which we usually see when those fronts start to come in. And we may end up with another front by the end of the week of the weekend. So things still staying very, very unsettled. Quiet tonight, quiet tomorrow morning. Winds be coming in out of the east-northeast. Getting into the afternoon, we'll start to see a few pop-up showers. They will originate just to our east, and then they will make their way across Acadiana, very similar to the way the showers have been over the last couple of days. Good amount of showers anticipated for tomorrow. Again, most of that is going to be through the heat of the day, late afternoon, evening time frame, looking a little bit better overnight, but a lot of that moisture hanging around, so we won't be out of the woods just yet. And with those systems tomorrow, could be on the lookout for some severe weather. One or two of those storms, isolated chances of severe weather, damaging winds and frequent lightning, kind of like it was the other night. Just 2 nights ago, we had all the lightning. We had a couple very strong gusts with those systems as well, and that more or less is what we're going to be looking at through the afternoon tomorrow. So a lot of rainfall on the way for tomorrow afternoon. Now, unfortunately, we'll see a lot of that moisture hang about. So by Friday, unsettled weather once again, 40–50% on the rain chances, and then we'll have a front push through over the weekend. We'll keep about a 60% chance of rain going for Saturday and Sunday. Does look like a lot of that moisture is going to be hanging around. Showers and thunderstorms going to be sticking into the weekend. For tonight, down to around 74 degrees. Most of the showers all coming to an end. Fairly quiet conditions across Acadiana. Quiet into tomorrow morning as well. Not much going on until the afternoon. Then we'll see those showers get going. Thunderstorms arriving. Again, we'll be on the lookout for a isolated case of some severe weather. High getting up to around 89. I think we get a little more sunshine tomorrow. Clouds will be back by Saturday and Sunday, and kind of on again, off again showers through next week. A little more typical of what we see sort of midsummer.
Yeah, very summer-like,
yeah,
I'd say.
Exactly.
Thanks, Daniel.